Hi, I'm Jonathan Goldman, and it is my pleasure to introduce you to these, the Intention Enhancer tuning forks. They are composed of two very special frequencies that, to my knowledge, have never been put together for use with tuning forks, and that's 432 Hertz and 528 Hertz. Now, these tuning forks were, if you like, given to me as an idea in deep meditation. I had no idea what they would sound like. And I hit them together and I listened to them and I was transported to another level of consciousness. I liked them so much, as a matter of fact, that I basically had sets made and gave them to chiropractors, medical doctors, medical intuitives, psychics, and sound healers, and they all seem to experience the same thing. The first thing, of course, is that these tuning forks enhanced our intention. They also grounded and nourished our body, mind, and spirit. They also opened up our heart to higher levels of consciousness. They created a state of oneness. And they basically were able to enhance our evolution. How extraordinary. The Intention Enhancer tuning forks. Try it. You'll like it.